Hi, Kim. It's Sticky Bill. Issa asked me to do a screencast for you just to do a analysis of how your website is standing up against your competitors. And I used the search Dog Trainers Des Moines. And you actually show up, but you show up pretty low. So you're 11th in the Google Map Packs, which is right here, and you're number 27 organically. Okay. So looking at your website, um, I think it looks great. I love that you have um, this bot that will come out and start chatting right away. There's some things you can do for this website to get it ranked higher, because the people that we're going to look at besides you are the top two in Des Moines, and they're both franchises, Barkbusters and Dogs Unleashed. Now, I looked at Dogs Unleashed. They have videos right up front. They're mixing them up with their content, so it'll be that much more interesting to look at. And I guess these folks from Barkbusters Des Moines um, also using a lot of things. But I've already looked at what you got, and let's take a look at my software that shows your domain rating is 0, which it could be way higher with just a little bit of effort. You have a URL rating of 6, which actually that's unusual to see right off the bat. And also, what's unusual to see is that even though you're ranking low, you have an organic traffic of just 1, and that's not bad for where you're sitting. Your keywords are 22, and let's take a look at those real quick. I like to look at the volume, because the higher the volume and the lower the difficulty, the easier it is to rank for these. And all these keywords: dog training Iowa, chasing wild, dog training Des Moines, Iowa, these are all your keywords. You should be ranking a lot higher for these, especially given the time that you've had with this website. Let's look at Barkbusters. They have a domain rating of 64, which is a lot higher. Their URL rating is 5, which, I mean, you could have a URL rating or a DR rating of 2 and outrank them, because these two scores would have a tight ratio. You want to keep them within 5. They only have 1 backlink and 1 referring domain. So easy to beat. So easy to beat locally. 30 keywords, but they're getting 35 searches a month. And the thing is, the top 3 rankers in Google get 80% of the business. So we'll look at All Dogs Unleashed, 34/7, 132. They're getting 89 searches a month, and they're a little bit higher with their backlinks and referring domains. What I can suggest for your website right off the bat is to put some internal links right in there, like 8-week dog training program. Make that a link to transformations, meet our team, let's connect, something somewhere else. Also, you need more backlinks to your website, which is something that you should be able to do really easy with, let's go to the home page, because I noticed you already mentioned a bunch of people. Maybe it's about you. Meet our team. Yeah, meet our team. You've already mentioned a bunch of things here. You could actually swap links with all these places and really create a strong Des Moines following. You'll shoot yourself right up to the top really quickly. And for your pictures, you could title them with keywords. So you need to title all your pictures. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And I hope you're doing well. And thank you for listening. Have a great day.